Maintaining a healthy weight and optimal kidney function are crucial to overall well-being. In today's video, we will delve into the intricate relationship between obesity and kidney disease, shedding light on the importance of adopting a kidney-friendly diet to prevent and manage these conditions effectively. Obesity is a widespread health concern that impacts physical appearance and poses severe risks to various organ systems, including the kidneys. The kidneys are vital in filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, regulating blood pressure, and producing essential hormones. When excess weight is present, the kidneys must work harder to perform these functions, leading to potential damage over time. Research has shown a clear link between obesity and an increased risk of developing kidney disease. Excess body fat can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones and chemicals in the body, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress that can harm the kidneys. Additionally, conditions commonly associated with obesity, such as high blood pressure and diabetes, further strain the kidneys and increase the likelihood of developing kidney disease. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your daily diet is essential to supporting kidney health and reducing the risk of kidney disease. These foods are typically low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, which can help maintain healthy kidney function and prevent complications. Some kidney-friendly foods include leafy greens, berries, fish, whole grains, and lean proteins. By making conscious choices to prioritize kidney health through a balanced diet, you can reduce the risk of developing kidney disease and support overall well-being. Stay tuned as we explore the specific foods and nutrients that can help protect your kidneys and promote optimal health. Understanding obesity and kidney disease. Obesity is a complex health issue that can have far-reaching consequences, particularly on kidney health. In this segment, we will delve into the intricate connection between obesity and kidney disease, exploring how excess weight can significantly impact kidney function and increase the risk of developing kidney-related complications. One fundamental way in which obesity contributes to kidney disease is through the development of conditions such as diabetes and hypertension. Excess body fat can disrupt the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels and blood pressure, leading to a higher likelihood of developing these chronic conditions. Both diabetes and hypertension are major risk factors for kidney disease, as they can damage the small blood vessels in the kidneys and impair their ability to filter waste products effectively. In addition to the indirect effects of obesity on kidney health, there are also direct mechanisms at play. Inflammation and oxidative stress, commonly elevated in individuals with excess body fat, can contribute to kidney damage over time. These processes can lead to structural changes in the kidneys, impairing their function and increasing the risk of developing conditions such as chronic kidney disease. Research has consistently shown a strong association between obesity and the prevalence of kidney disease. Studies have indicated that obese individuals are at a significantly higher risk of developing kidney-related complications compared to those with a healthy weight. Obesity is considered a significant risk factor for the development and progression of kidney disease, highlighting the urgent need to address weight management as a crucial aspect of kidney health. By understanding the intricate relationship between obesity and kidney disease, we can proactively mitigate the risks and protect our kidney function. Stay tuned as we explore practical strategies and dietary recommendations to support kidney health and well-being in obese individuals. Impact of diet on kidney health. A kidney-friendly diet is pivotal in maintaining optimal kidney function, preventing kidney disease, and supporting overall health. In this segment, we will underscore the significance of adopting a diet rich in nutrients that promote kidney health, emphasize the importance of hydration, and highlight specific foods that can benefit kidney function. Essential nutrients and food components play a crucial role in supporting kidney health. For individuals looking to protect their kidneys, it is necessary to focus on consuming foods that are low in sodium and high in fiber. Excessive sodium intake can lead to fluid retention and elevated blood pressure, placing additional strain on the kidneys. On the other hand, a high-fiber diet can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion, reducing the risk of conditions that can harm kidney function. Hydration and fluid intake are equally vital aspects of kidney health. Adequate water consumption is essential for maintaining proper kidney function, as it helps to flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Dehydration can lead to the formation of kidney stones and impair the kidney's ability to filter waste effectively. By staying well hydrated, individuals can support their kidneys and reduce the risk of developing kidney-related complications. There are several options to consider when choosing foods that promote kidney health. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect the kidneys from damage. Fish, mainly those high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and mackerel, benefit kidney health due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, leafy greens like spinach and kale are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals that support kidney function and overall well-being. By incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your daily diet and prioritizing hydration, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your kidney health and promote optimal functioning. Stay tuned for more tips and recommendations on supporting your kidneys through mindful dietary choices. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods. Making conscious choices to include kidney-friendly foods in your daily meals and snacks can significantly impact kidney function and overall health. In this segment, we will provide practical tips and strategies for seamlessly integrating nutrient-rich foods that promote kidney health into your diet, along with meal planning ideas and recipes to inspire your culinary journey. Meal planning is a valuable tool for ensuring your diet is rich in nutrients, supporting kidney function. When mapping out your meals, incorporate various nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Opt for low sodium and sugar recipes, as excessive consumption of these components can strain the kidneys and contribute to health complications. By prioritizing whole unprocessed foods, you can give your body the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. For example, a colorful quinoa salad with mixed berries and a citrus vinaigrette can be a refreshing and nutrient-packed option for a light meal or side dish. Alternatively, a grilled salmon fillet with roasted vegetables and a sprinkle of fresh herbs offers a satisfying and kidney-friendly main course, rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. In addition to selecting the right foods, practicing portion control and mindful eating is critical to maintaining a healthy weight and supporting kidney health. Be aware of your serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues to avoid overeating. By savoring each bite and paying attention to your body's signals, you can cultivate a healthy relationship with food and support your overall well-being. By incorporating these practical tips and strategies into your daily routine, you can empower yourself to make informed choices that prioritize kidney health and enhance your overall quality of life. Stay tuned for more inspiration and guidance on embracing a kidney-friendly diet for long-term wellness. Lifestyle changes for kidney health. Embracing lifestyle modifications can be pivotal in preventing kidney disease, managing obesity, and promoting better overall health. In this segment, we will explore the impact of regular physical activity, stress management, adequate sleep, and personalized dietary choices on kidney health, empowering you to make informed decisions that support your well-being. Regular physical activity is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle that can help maintain a healthy weight and improve kidney function. Engaging in brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or strength training burns calories, supports weight management, and enhances cardiovascular health and circulation, benefiting the kidneys. Incorporating exercise into your routine can boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and support overall kidney health. Stress management and adequate sleep are essential components of a holistic approach to kidney health. Prioritizing stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature can help mitigate the effects of stress on the body and support kidney health. Additionally, ensuring you get sufficient restful sleep each night is crucial for allowing your body to repair and regenerate, promoting optimal kidney function and overall well-being. While a kidney-friendly diet and lifestyle changes are crucial to supporting kidney health, consulting healthcare professionals for personalized recommendations is essential. Healthcare providers, including dietitians, nephrologists, and fitness experts, can offer tailored guidance based on your health needs and goals. By collaborating with a healthcare team, you can develop a comprehensive plan that addresses your concerns and empowers you to make sustainable lifestyle changes for improved kidney health. By incorporating these lifestyle modifications into your daily routine and seeking personalized guidance from healthcare professionals, you can take proactive steps towards preventing kidney disease, managing obesity, and enhancing your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on optimizing your lifestyle for optimal kidney health. Maintaining a healthy weight and following a kidney-friendly diet are pillars of kidney health. Excess weight can strain the kidneys and increase the risk of developing kidney disease, making weight management a crucial aspect of overall well-being. Regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep are essential to a holistic approach to kidney health. By prioritizing self-care practices, you can reduce inflammation, support kidney function, and enhance your overall quality of life. If you found this information valuable and are committed to improving your health, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from this content. We can empower each other to make informed choices, prioritize kidney health, and embark on a journey toward a healthier, happier life. Thank you for joining us on this critical discussion, and here's to your kidney health and well-being.